Okay, so here we go with lesson 2, using algebra to solve problems. This is going to be a little hard to do in these 3-minute videos. There's going to be a couple of them, okay? So try to follow along, and if you don't understand, maybe watch the video again. Remember, you can always email me if you have a big problem with the question, okay? So take a look at your example here. Here is a word problem. There are twice as many women as men in an English class. The number of women decreased by 2 equals the number of men increased by 10. Find the number of men and women in the class. Now, maybe some of you are thinking, oh my God, crazy, I don't understand this. You have to know how to read English a little more. You have to know the words. You have to know the math. You have to know all of this together. But there are 9 steps you can follow that will help you to do any word problem here. So I think the first and maybe the most important step is, do you understand all of the words in the problem? So take a look again, read it again. Are you sure you understand what increase means, and decrease, and twice as many? What do those mean? So make sure you understand. You can pause the video now, take your dictionary or your translator, write the Chinese please beside the words here. Okay? Step number 2 says read the problem again now and make sure that you understand it. What do you need to find? What is the problem asking you to find? Well, when you read it again, you can see the problem is asking you to find 2 things. The number of men in the class and the number of women in the class. Alright? 2 different things. So that's the second step. The third step now is to find your x, your unknown value. What do you want that to be? Well, I decided to make x equal the number of men. Okay? And that leads us to step 4. Well, now that you have your one piece of information that you need to find, the number of men, how are we going to find the second piece of information, the number of women? Well, when you look back at the problem, the first sentence says there are twice as many women as men. 2 times the amount of women. So it makes it easy for us. If x is the number of men and there are 2 times as many women, that's 2x for the number of women.